See, see.
Oh, it's such a fun away.
Oh, fox!
Yeah.
Oh, fox! Oh no!
Yeah.
Yeah, a falcon, yeah.
I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it's probably too late to save the thing.
It's not a magpie, it's like a crow.
Are you getting it, yeah?
Mm.
God almighty. It's terrible, isn't it? It will be dead, like.
Yeah, even if we rescue
No,
him,
no, it'll be, the bird off just kind of going to be easy.
he unskin it, see?
Yeah, he's. That's what you call a rapport. That's, yeah, it's definitely a bird that eats meat, other birds.
He can't escape, babe, because
I know, and even if
he's holding it by his
yeah, I know,
claws.
but even if he escapes, now the bird's not going to be able to have a normal
Survive,
life.
yeah.
No, so it's just leave it.
And he's still alive, babe. It's torture, you know.
I know, Bing, I know. I would have thought that. Yeah, this is the line of it.
Sorry, bird.
But you can understand that even if you get away, the bird won't survive. You know.
Yeah.
Gee, that's incredible, isn't it? Yes, a venomous.
Yeah. I saw a woman there. He's kind of looking at the bird, and he said like this, a bird, and he's looking here. He's inside Jerry's
Oh really?
yeah, gate, and he says the bird, and I saw the bird is. Why are they flying? And then it's so noisy.
That
And
bird,
I saw here.
but that bird is one of those. Could be just a young.
Oh no.
I haven't seen.
Oh no, I saw a skin, babe. Oh.
Look, don't worry about it.
Oh no.
I thought they would kill it. I didn't think they'd kill it that way. I would have thought they would have killed it.
Yeah, but he can't kill him instantly because he's going to escape.
He's still not dead. The bird's still not dead. Then.
Yeah, he says,
Crikey.
but he unskin it.
I know.
What kind of bird is this?
It's a
Maybe
bird
it's something like in the zoo, you know?
Yeah, what do you want to have up in
Something like in
Tato
Tato Park, yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen. It's only. I think it's only a young prey bird though. I think it's only a young prey bird thing. You know.
Can we
Rescue it?
no, that prey bird, we can keep it.
No. What do you want to keep it for?
Put it in the Tato Park.
No, Bing, no. It's a wild bird, Bing. It's a wild bird.
Oh no, I hear this. Torturing.
Yeah, it's not dead yet. It's not dead. The bird isn't dead yet. I thought you would have yeah, he's eating the thing.
It's very dangerous when you try to save that
Yeah, it might go for
the
you.
black one. Yeah. Let's
But the black
look
bird,
at this sharp pick.
it's not even dead yet, Bing. It's not even
Yeah,
dead yet.
look at his leg. He's holding it. He's holding
There's his claws. With his claws, yeah.
See?
And it's a pretty big bird as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty big bird.
He's holding the. I mean, his claws is holding the head.
Mother of God, I've never seen that in my life before.
Yeah.
It must be a young. Good grief, I haven't seen that in my life before.
That's bigger than him.
I know, I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it's a bird
No,
of
he's
prey.
eating it, babe. Look.
Is it dead? Probably dead at this stage,
Yeah,
is it?
he's dead now.
Is he dead? God, I've never seen this in my whole lifetime. I haven't seen this thing. This is really experience.
He even looked at me here, babe, and he.
Yeah.
They're fighting at first. No, he's dead. Oh no.
He's still flapping his wings.
No, he's not dead. He's still crying. You know, he saw me here looking at them, and then he just stopped, you
The
know.
woman?
No, this one. The bird. The one who's eating.
Why does that have to happen? Why does it have to happen in our garden for being?
I don't know.
That's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Maybe because of this bush here.
I don't know, Ming. No, it's dead. I think it's at this stage the bird be dead. Has to be.
No,
I
he's still
thought you calmed me
crying.
down that Carl had been
No,
eating his food. That's great news, you know?
no.
No. Oh my goodness.
You know, the bird is so noisy. They're trying to help, you know.
Already?
Yeah, they're trying. Even the pigeon there at the back, and then here, they're so noisy.
Taser Park.
But it's still young, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's a young bird thing.
Where does this bird came from? It's like,
I don't know, Ming.
look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. It's like a small
He's
eagle,
eating the
babe.
flesh now. He's eating the flesh now. See him, look. See him
Yeah,
now.
eee.
He's eating yes.
Oh, no, but the bird is still breathing, you know.
No, I think it's dead at this stage, Ming. Dead at this stage. He's eating the flesh now, yeah? Good grief, that's incredible, Ming. No, the bird's dead at this stage, Ming.
No, it's still breathing, babe. It is torture, you know. See,
Oh,
it's
he's after flying away. Fox!
Fox!
Fucking
A
hell!
fox!